All right, today we have a cabin tour of cabin 10311 here on Symphony of the Seas. This is one of the Boardwalk balconies. Right behind the door, of course, we have the standard deck plan of the ship with your emergency muster station information. This is going to be F2, which is the main dining room on deck 5. So that's all of your information just in case of an emergency. We got your magnet on the door, out catching thrills. You put that on there if you're ready for the room to be made up. Or if you're staying in, then you go sleeping off the adventure. That lets the cabin steward know that you are not ready for them to come in. They do have the little thing for the lights. If you leave that out long enough or you take it out, all the lights turn off in the cabin. But this was actually already in here, which it was the same thing on Liberty last month. So I'm wondering if that's just something that they're keeping in the rooms at all times now. But we got the lights throughout the room. Very, very nice. One thing I do really love is the way they did all the cabinet spacing on this. Instead of having like the giant bulky cabinets that are usually like on the side of the door as you come in. We've got lots of cabinet space here. We've got a safe. Got two pretty decent sized drawers down there. Got a nightstand. Can fit some stuff down in there. And then of course you have two beds. You can either have them pushed together for a king size bed or the split twin beds. You get the little divider in the middle for the other nightstand. Pretty decent sized TV, not too bad. Also got a full-length mirror here, which is nice. Desk is a little on the messy side. We do have, lots of space though, you can definitely tell. Very good, like as far as like when I export my footage at the end of the day. Gives me lots of space to do it. But we have one thing I really, really love is that, not this, but the ring light is very nice to have. We have 3 plugs for the wall, which is really helpful. Lets us charge a lot more stuff. Plus we have 2 USBs. So not only are we able to charge all of our phones and everything, but for somebody like me, having these USBs is really big because then I can charge not only all my stuff, but all my camera batteries at the end of the day, which is really helpful. Underneath we have a pretty nice sized chair. And then a mini fridge. Got ours loaded up, and we brought on some bottles of water and some Cokes. And we've got some stuff up here, normal drawers. Ooh, that was loud. Pretty good sized space up here as well. Lots of stuff that we can put up here, lots of space. Just a couple more drawers. Heading down there. And then this, I believe this folds out into a couch. Let's see. No, I don't think it does. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But really nice sized couch. I mean, I'm kind of short. I'm like 5'8" on a good day, so, but my legs don't even stretch all the way across. So, very nice sized couch. You could fit a couple people on here for sure. Also have another closet, which is good. And by the beds, underneath the lamps, you have the switch for the lamp. Oh, that's actually for the room. There's a button under here for this, but you also have another wall plug on each side, which is really cool. So I know a lot of the modern ships and the newer ships have this, and it's very, very helpful, especially in today's times where everything needs to be charged. So very helpful. Let's run into the bathroom real quick. And also, this is a connecting stateroom. My parents are actually staying on the other side. We're gonna open up and kind of show them in just a second. But, oh, actually there's somebody coming through now. Just kidding, they don't want to be on the camera, or on the video. But, yeah, so we got a nice size shower. This is actually a very big shower. Usually, like, some of the nice size showers you can't fit in, but I can stick my whole, well, maybe not the whole arm out, but I can, almost like that. which is very, very nice to have something that's very large. Sorry. I've got the toilet, generic sink, a little bit of storage here going along the side. So very, very helpful. You got little trash bins down at the bottom. All right, and then next up, of course, and finally we have the balcony. We do have the divider split. Like I mentioned, my parents are staying next door, so we were able to get that fixed or opened. But this is our view of the Boardwalk balcony. We have a nice table. We have 2 chairs. Of course, that's their room right there. We have a really good view of the Aqua Theater and the Abyss, and the name of the ship. Let's head back inside. The noise inside isn't too bad. Or the noise out there isn't too bad, which is very nice. But anyways, that's all for the ship tour, or the cabin tour of the Boardwalk balcony here on board Symphony of the Seas. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below if you don't already. And make sure you hit that thumbs up if you did enjoy today's video to follow along all of the upcoming Symphony of the Seas videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.